What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you a simple method on how to draw a Minecraft sniffer. Now I want to begin today's lesson all the way over on the right side of my page and draw a rectangle. We're going to start with the top edge, starting from the left, go all the way across the top towards the outside. Now from the ends, draw a straight line coming down of equal length. And we'll close off the bottom with another straight line. From the bottom left corner, let's angle this down and across towards the left. Straight down to right about here. I'm going to pull this across the bottom of the head towards the right side. Now we're not going to line this up with the edge along the top. Just want to go up and just tuck that up underneath. Now I'm going to draw the corner edge of the face. Let's find the halfway point along this bottom line. So right here, I'm going to go all the way up toward the top. Draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add a notch along this line, coming down, and we'll go up towards this section and add two nostrils. Let's start over on the left, draw two lines coming down of equal length, and we'll close off the bottom. Now leave a gap on the right side and draw that same shape, coming down the sides, and we'll close off the bottom. Now I'm going to draw the top of the head going out towards the ear. Let's go in between the nostrils, draw a short line going up, and I'm going to draw a straight line going all the way across towards the left. Stop right about there. Now I'm going to bend this down towards the ear. From here, angle this down towards the bottom. I'm going to bring this down a little bit lower than the bottom of the head. Draw a straight line coming in. Now I'm going to follow this line, going all the way back up towards the top. Now along this bottom corner of the head, we're just going to round this out, coming down and then up. Let's trace these lines going back up towards the top. Up, angling this in, and then pull that back up towards the top of the head. And from the bottom, we're going to draw a straight line going across the bottom of the head in behind the ear. Let's add a rectangle for the eye, starting on the top, the other sides, and close off the bottom, and we'll fill the eye in black. I'm also going to add a fold along the bottom right, stepping down, come down, and across. Let's add that detail on the bottom of the ear, starting from the outside. In with a straight line, goes down, go across, and then come down. And then work our way towards the right side of the ear, go up this time, and then back in. Now you can see the right ear in behind the head, so we're going to take this bottom section and flip it over. Let's start down here underneath the head, and down towards the same height. Straight across, and then angle that back up. Now with the head in place, let's draw the top of the body in behind. We're going to start right up here, start with a short line going up, and then we're going to add a leafy texture going all the way up towards the top of the body. Come around, and then in, draw another curve. Let's continue this line going up. Let's add one more curve, coming around and then in, and then just pull that up towards the top of the body. Now I want to round out the top corner, just pull that back out toward the left, and we'll draw a straight line going all the way across towards the back of the body. Going out, stopping right about there. Now I'm going to round out the corner, coming down, and we'll add those same leaves. And the first one, straight down to right about there. Add a couple more. Coming around. And add another one coming in. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to line this up and then come down. Now I'm going to continue to add those leaves across the bottom edge. Let's start down here. Add one. Draw a straight line coming in. And we'll just repeat this, adding a couple. And adding a single one. And just work our way back in towards the head. Now I want to separate the front edge. We're going to add some leaves first. Starting from the top, draw 1, step down, we're going to add 2. Now from the bottom, draw a straight line coming down. From the top, go up underneath that top leaf, and draw a short line going up toward the top of the body. Let's add some more textures along the inside. Start with 2, and 1 along the bottom, and just working our way across towards the right. Now let's tuck the bottom half of the body underneath. On the left, let's step in, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. Now we're going to draw a straight line coming in, draw a straight line going up. Now I want to add some layers across the bottom coming back in towards the head. From this point, step up, draw a straight line coming in, step down, just overlap, come across, and then back up, step up, come in behind the head. Now I want to line up with this line, come all the way down towards the bottom in behind the ear. Now let's draw in those large block feet. From the ear, we're going to step over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down, go across, and then back up underneath the ear. Let's draw the same size foot on the left side. So we're going to step in, I want to bring this down towards the same height, and across the bottom, and pull that back up. Let's separate the foot in half with a straight vertical line. Now the back legs are going to be a little bit shorter, so we're going to leave a gap, come down to right about there, and come all the way across and tuck that in behind. Let's do the same thing across the front. Stepping over, coming down, go all the way across, and then back up underneath the head. Now let's separate the back feet in half with a straight line, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a Minecraft Sniffer. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.